Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix YouTube TV buffering problems. Let's get started. One of the most common causes of buffering is a weak or unstable internet connection. First, go to your device settings, then tap Network and Internet and check if you're connected to the correct Wi-Fi. Make sure your Wi-Fi shows connected with internet access. If not, try restarting your router or switching to the different network. You can also adjust video playback quality. High video quality can strain weak connections. While watching a video, click the gear icon for settings, then tap quality. Lower the video resolution from 180p to 720p or 480p. This reduces data usage and helps videos load smoother when your internet is slow. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.